I'm back with my delicious fluffy eggs. Guys, let me just tell you this right now. Perfectly prepared, creamy, delicious collagen egg. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Danelle, and today's video I'm going to show you how I mix 1 scoop of collagen into my egg to have the perfect scrambled egg. Stay watching, I'll be right back.
I've been pushing work all summer.
Alright guys, so if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap that bell so you don't miss out on more videos just like this one. Seriously, did you know that collagen is good for heat up to 570 degrees? Yes, collagen is one of those few proteins that is fabulous for baking and cooking because it can withstand heat at 572 degrees. Remember guys, as we get older, our bodies tend to produce less and less of collagen. So that's why we try to incorporate more of the supplements. Collagen is good for your hair, your nails, your skin, your teeth, your joints. It is great for your liver. It has so many benefits to our body. A little bit of clumping, and you can see that. Now what I am going to do to break that clumpiness up, I'm gonna incorporate a little bit of milk. So I would highly recommend before you start doing all this, just incorporate a little bit of milk first, and then I'll be better for mixing up the collagen. Just a little dash of milk. So I'm back, and what I love most about this recipe is that I'm having my eggs, and you know, I got tired of drinking the collagen, so I'm having my collagen peptides, but I'm having it in my eggs. So not only am I eating something that's great for me, but it's super delicious and it's good for my body at the same time. Look at this, y'all. It is definitely fluffy. Remember, the Neocell Super Collagen that I use in this recipe, it is the odorless and it is the flavorless, or I should say tasteless, collagen peptide. And if you were to use that, that is great for cooking as well as baking, and you can use it for your smoothies. It is all around something that's gonna be great for you to have in your life and in your recipes. In the comment section below, drop in creative ways that you are including collagen into your lifestyle. Are you baking it? Are you cooking with it? Are you making smoothies, shakes? What are you doing? Leave those comments below. Y'all, that's it for today. These eggs are freaking amazing. I'm loving it. It is the bee's knees. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like and share this video with a friend or two, and subscribe to this channel if you have not yet done so. Remember y'all, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah. Until next time, smooches.